Hello, welcome to Northwoods Renaissance. Today was gun store visit day. We went to the bakery and closet that is Danger Close Tactical, and I made some real solid purchases here. I'm feeling really good about it. So let's have a peek, shall we? One box, blazer brass, 115 grain, full metal jacket. Been nice and reliable to me in the past. We've got a nice box of Hornady Critical Duty. And that's the 135 grain. It's got the polymer tip. And these are some fancy guys. And then finally, the most important purchase, one bag tactical shortbread cookies made by Sun Girl. I assume that's her, the top left. So there you have it. Man cannot live on range ammo and self-defense ammo alone, and that's why we have tactical cookies. Thanks for watching, and we'll be in touch soon.